Soft, juicy, and packed with flavor, let's make chicken dumplings at home in just minutes. Here's how you can make the perfect dumplings. Ground chicken, cabbage and green onions, garlic and ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper, dumpling wrappers. In a bowl, mix ground chicken with finely chopped cabbage, green onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper until well combined. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of a wrapper, wet the edges, fold and pinch to seal. Don't worry if they're not perfect. Homemade always tastes best. Heat oil in a pan, place dumplings flat side down, cook until golden brown, then add a splash of water, cover and steam until fully cooked. And there you have it, crispy juicy chicken dumplings, ready to dip and enjoy. Try this recipe and taste pure comfort in every bite.